if stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Ford Motor stock is a buy or not for me. So let's talk about this. Relatively speaking, previously it's like been just positioned here in this bullish range, and this meant that if I saw a double break, I was willing to take things up. It never gave me that clean break because it just kind of consolidated and then kind of came down. My bias on this is still true, you know, it's still keeping its truth. The only thing that will make me buy is if I start see clear signs of bullishness. But other than that, that doesn't mean that this is not able to be traded. Of course it is. But again, for me, the only thing that I'll start to take things up or be long is if the price starts giving me a proper double break. So that's how this looks like for me. This is not financial advice. I'm definitely going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.